everybody, it's Robin. I'm here with Mammy. I'm starting this tutorial with Color Revolution Love at First Skate, which is my favorite neon pink. And I'm doing a no water marble with white, and then I think that this is called Correctamundo. Yeah, OPI. The neon pink and neon purple with white, and then a French manicure. Oop, I dropped my brush. God dang it, I dropped it again. Hello. Okay, so we are okay, and then on my palette I have two colors, a bright neon yellow and a teal blue, and these are both acrylic paints that I bought at Michael's by Apple Barrel. So let me get some. Let's get this started. Okay, so I'm going in with the neon, with the clear French manicure, a nice liberal amount. Okay, so I'm using Dazzle Dry for this, and if you are not good at this design, then I would suggest you use a different type of French manicure. I am out of French pink, and that was the only one I had, and so you have to work faster. But when this design, it's all about speed, and so like, oh gosh, it's hard if you're not good. So I suggest you try a different top coat. I mean, a different base. Don't do as I do in this video. So I am going in like that. Then I'm taking the edges, pulling off, taking the edges, pulling off, and like that. Did you hear the crows earlier?
Going crazy.
Right, yeah, right when we start the tape. I don't know if it's because we were talking or they just started right when we started taping. I'm not sure. I just started hearing them. So there's
and
one.
The doves.
And the doves, yeah. Love, peace, peace, love. That's what I always hear when I hear doves now. Because that's what it sounds like they say. Love, peace, peace, love.
They don't need to do it at 6 a.m. though.
No, they don't. Yep, I agree. And we live in the same neighborhood, so we have the same dove problem. Most people, is doves a problem to most people? To us, it is.
I know most people are like, oh, I love doves. They sound so pretty.
But there's a lot
like,
of them.
Oh, but we have so many.
Yeah.
They're just like overwhelming.
Yeah, there's a lot of doves here, you guys. So, and right now especially, they're just everywhere.
I just wish they could learn a new song.
Yeah, they're love, peace, peace, love. And in front of my house is like Crow Central. I don't know if that's a sign, but I have tons of crows. Okay, so there's that. And I'm using slightly thicker polishes and slightly quicker top base coat, so you guys can see when it doesn't look perfect, like it's not a perfect swirl. Like you're gonna see like some problems with it being like kind of like not as flowy. And I did that kind of on purpose because I want you guys to see. If you're running late and your water marble isn't looking all perfect and whatever, it's okay because I'm gonna do something special afterwards. So I'm just doing this for camera. You never know who's gonna learn and say, oh my gosh, that's where I learned no water marbling, because every video has its own little tutorial in it. I'm not picking one color over another, although if you put white first and then put the other colors over the top of it, it's brighter. There. I just want a little bit of white. But I'm going to go in. I believe Compassionistas here.
Is she?
I don't know.
She's
One of
early,
somebody.
but that'll be nice because I
Yeah.
didn't get to see her last time.
Oh, you didn't?
No, she was late.
She's making up for it.
Yeah.
Watch it be someone totally different, like the UPS man. I did order knives.
Could be your son.
Oh yeah, right. Okay, so there's that. Okay, so now, no, he's gone. He is totally gone. If it's him, I am so kicking him out. I'm gonna spray him with this water. Okay, so I'm going in and I'm making this really, really thin. And then on the same with these, like this. Well, hello, darling.
Is them.
It is.
Oh, how are you?
So, I'm going to go in with
Oh,
yellow.
look at those leggings, both of you.
Oh,
Aren't they
just
cute?
soft and like I kind of rolled out of bed and didn't have to get dressed.
No,
twice.
it's adorable.
I couldn't find a belt.
A what?
A belt.
Oh.
So, you know.
Where I take the paint. Oh, this one's still a little bit too wet to use the paint over polish. Okay, here we go. I'm using the yellow, and everywhere that's a little bit ugly, I'm going over the yellow. And when I say ugly, ugly is subjective, and what's ugly to me is not ugly to you, and vice versa. So don't worry about, you cover what you don't like. So there's that. I'm just touching in a little yellow over the pink. Don't go over the purple with the yellow. You go over the purple with the teal. And then you can blend the teal in with the yellow, and it makes the most beautiful neon green. Oops. So I'm going to touch in like this, and like this, and like this, like that. Okay, I'm going to finish this out, and when I'm done, let me see. It's going to look like that. What? She said she wanted bright, and she got it. Let me top coat. I think I might put some sparkling water on by Twyla True, which is a holographic glitter. And this is one of my favorite holographic glitters because it never loses its dull. It never gets dull. So, okay, meet you back. Boop. Okay, so with this colors and all the neons, it's very hard to get a really good and accurate photo of these, but they are so bright and so perfect for summer, and I hope you guys try them. They will be in my No Water Marble playlist, and there's like 70 different designs with them like that. Oh yeah, that looks better. It looks a little bit, it's showing a little bit more of them glowy. So anyways, I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so try them. Show me at Robin Moses Nail Art on Instagram, or if you need brushes, robinmosesnailart.com is my store. Okay, I think I got everything told to you guys. If you have any questions, leave them below in the comments section, and I will try to get to them the day that I upload this video. That's when I try to answer all your questions. If you guys could answer any questions for me, I would truly appreciate it, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Boop.